Hi team, greetings everyone. In our previous session, we saw integrations, right? Let me just navigate to integrations. So in the previous session, we were seeing this cloud platforms, how to integrate cloud platforms with our FireFlink platform, right? Now in today's session, we are going to see this Jira, how to integrate Jira with FireFlink. So when I say Jira, Jira is a test case management tool. So in FireFlink, we can use Jira as a defect management tool as well, right? Now I am going to integrate FireFlink with Jira so that I can use this Jira as a defect management tool, right? Now, how to integrate? First thing is I need to have a Jira account, right? Let me just go to Google and let me just search for Jira. See, I do have a Jira account. Let me just click on this. And here if you can see, this is my Jira account, and here it is asking me to create a site, right? Let me just create a site later, right? This is my Jira account. I do have a Jira account, right? Now let me go to FireFlink. I have a FireFlink account as well as I have a Jira account. Let me just click on this Jira. So once I click on this Jira, again what is happening? It is saying give me the instance, means create the instance. What I will do, I'll just click on this plus instance. So once I click on the plus instance, it is asking for account ID, server URL, username, domain, API token. So multiple information it is asking. Now I'm going to show you how to fetch all this information from your Jira account, right? Let me just go to my Jira account. So whenever we are talking about Jira account, right, first we need to create a website in the Jira, right? So for that I have to give a name. So I'll just give the name as Shopper Stack. Shopper Stack. See, the name is already taken, so I have to give a new name. I'll just say Shopper Stack e-commerce. Okay, this name is available. So here I have to just click on this get started in Jira. So once I click on this website will be built by the Jira. Okay, as of now I don't want to do this, so what I will do, I'll just skip these questions. See, it is building my site with the name which I have given. Once it is loaded, we will be navigating to our registered website. So it is building our site. Once the website is built, it will show us the website. We have to just wait for the website to be built. See, now the website is built. It's just loading it. So here I'll just go with the default options. I'll just click on next. I'm not changing anything. I'm just going with the default option. And here, if you can see, my website is created with the same name which I have given, shopperstack e-commerce.atlassian.net, right? So let me just give explore by myself. So now I have this Jira website, right? First thing in the FireFlink instance, what I have to give? Account ID, right? Let me go to my Jira account, and here you have to click on this profile icon. See, this is the profile icon, right? Just click on it. And here you'll be having an option called as profile. Just click on this profile. So once you click on the profile, you will be navigating to your profile page where you can see this particular URL, right? In this URL, if you can see the last portion which is alphanumeric. See, starting from this after this forward slash, starting from this 7 until this 0, this is called your account ID. Once you create your website, once you click on this profile icon, and you have to click on this profile, which will navigate you to the profile page of Jira account. Here in the URL, the last part, so after the forward slash, whatever is there, you have to just copy this, and this will be your account ID. Just paste the same, right? Account ID is pasted. So you have to give the server URL. What is the server URL if you're asking? Go to the same page. Here you copied the last portion, right? Now we have to copy the first portion, starting from HTTPS until .NET. Until .NET, you have to just copy. This will be your server URL, which is nothing but https:// shopper-stack ecommerce.atlassian.net. Right? Once you paste the server URL, that domain name will be automatically taken. See, I didn't fill this. It was automatically taken from server URL. And here, what is the username? Username, what you have to give? You have to give the email ID with which you have created the Jira account. Right? So you will be giving an email ID to create a Jira account. That email ID you have to give. So in my case, if I click on this profile, right, I'll be able to see that particular email ID. See, steve.anderson.0813@gmail.com. This will be my username. So let me just type the same, steve.anderson.13@gmail.com. See, I've given my username and I need the API token, right? How to get the API token? Just go to the same page. See, this is my profile page, right? Now, again, click on this profile icon. You have something called as manage account. Just click on this manage account. Once you click on this manage account, a new tab will be opened and we will be having multiple options where you have to focus on security. See, profile and visibility, email, and we have something called as security. Just click on this security. And here in this security page, if you scroll down, if you can see API tokens, create and manage API tokens. Just click on this. And here you can create your API token for your Jira account. Just click on this API token. And here you have to give the name for it. I'll just give the name as Shopper Stack. Shopper Stack token, I'll say. And let me just click on create. See, your API token. It is generated the API token. All I have to do is copy this, go to FireFlink and paste the same here. Now I have filled all the required details. What is an account ID? First thing is you have to build a website. If you already have the website, directly navigate to the website and you have to click on the profile icon and go to profile. You will be landing in the profile page where you have to copy the last part. The last part of the URL. This will be your account ID. And what is server URL? In the same URL, you have copied last part, right? For account ID, you have to copy the first part until .NET. That is your what? Server URL. Once you paste the server URL, domain name will be automatically taken. No need to worry about it. And this username is nothing but you would have given an email ID to create the Jira account. Right? That email ID you have to pass it as username. Right? Now that you can find it in the same profile icon. See, this is my email ID. And once after filling all these details, you need API token, right? For that, what you can do? Profile icon, manage account. Just click on this manage account, which will navigate you to the new page. And there you have to go to security and you have to go to create and manage API tokens. So you can create your API token and you can just copy the same and paste it over here. Right? Now I'll just click on create. See, the instance is created. I'll just say no thanks. Now the instance is created. Now I have successfully integrated FireFlink with Jira. Now I can use Jira as a defect management tool with FireFlink. Let me go to projects. Let me go to Shopper Stack. So now I want to raise a defect in Jira. Right? How do I do that? Let me go to test execution. So here, if you can see in regression suite, one script is failing, right? Let me just click on the failed status. So the second script is getting failed. Let me go to the second script. Okay, my third step is getting failed, which is not actually a bug, but I want to raise this as a bug. Let us assume this is a bug and I want to raise this bug in the Jira. So what I have to do, just click on this bug icon. And here, create issue with, I have what option? Jira. Let me just click on this Jira. So once I click on Jira, if you can see, it is asking for domain name. Let me select the domain name. See, which is nothing but Shopper Stack e-commerce. and here it is asking for project. Let me just click on it, and here it is saying my cupboard project, but I want to create the defect, means I want to create a bug, right? Now I have only cupboard project. Let me create one more project in my Jira account for defect tracking, means separate for project for defect tracking. So what I will do, let me go to my Jira account. So this is my cupboard project, right? So what I will do, I'll just go to projects. I'll just say create project. Here I will go for bug tracking. I'll just go for bug tracking. Let me use the same template, and here I have to give the project details. I have to give the project name. I'll just say shopper stack, and let me just click on create. So now shopper stack project, which is a bug tracking project, is created in my Jira account, right? Now let me go to FireFlink. Let me just click on this project. See, it is not reflecting, right? What I will do, I'll just cancel this. Let me just click on this bug icon once again, Jira. Now let me select the domain. Now let me select the project. See, now it is reflecting shopper stack. So shopper stack is my bug tracking project, right? I'll select this. Here it is asking me to select the issue type. I'll just say it's a bug, and summary it is asking. I'll just say invalid URL. And here the steps to reproduce environment details are auto populated since I raising the defect in the test execution section. It is asking for assignee, so I will assign it to Steve, one who is having the Jira account. I'll just assign it to Steve, and it is asking for priority, so I'll just give the priority as highest priority, and let me just click on this create issue. So once I click on this create issue, this issue will be raised in Jira. So now if I go to my Jira platform, let me just refresh this page. See, invalid URL, and all the details will reflect here. Description, steps to reproduce, environment details, everything will reflect here. So this is how we integrate Jira with FireFlink, and we raise the issues in FireFlink with the help of Jira, right? So the same procedure can be done for other defect tracking tools also. Let me just click on this all project, and let me go to configuration and integrations. So we saw how to integrate Jira with FireFlink platform. In the same fashion, we can use GitLab, Slack as a defect management tool in FireFlink platform, which we will be seeing in the next session. Thank you.